So, Samsung is by far the dominant leader when it comes to foldable smartphones. The company currently accounts for about 90% of the foldable market share, with the Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 currently the best-selling foldable phones in the market. Samsung literally has no real competition in the foldable segment, which is part of the reason why the company is currently dominating the new category. Other brands whom has so far unveiled a foldable smartphone either offers one with mediocre specs and a flagship price like Motorola, or one with no Google services, while also releasing the phone in limited quantity for the Chinese market alone. But 2021 will be a different year for Samsung, not only because the company is planning on launching 4 new foldable smartphones, but because other OEMs will also be launching their foldable phones as well. Some time ago, Ross Young provided a list of other companies speculated to have a foldable phone scheduled for this year, and today, a very popular Chinese tipster is also confirming this information. According to digital chat station, Xiaomi, Vivo and Oppo are on course to launching their foldable phones, and the previous tweet from Ross Young suggests that all 3 companies are preparing 4 foldable smartphones each. All of these devices are tipped to hit the market during the second half of 2021, which is when Samsung is also expected to release theirs. But with these number of foldable phones in the market, it's almost guaranteed that Samsung will see a drop in their market share, which is good for the consumers, as strong competition makes it possible for companies to price their products reasonably, while also taking their time to innovate. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be the flag bearer among all Samsung flagship offering for 2021, speculated to come with cool features like S Pen integration, while also featuring a much improved ultra-thin glass technology. It is also speculated that the Z Fold 3 could feature an under-display camera. All of these premium features coming to the Z Fold 3 will serve as a major advantage over all other foldables, but the only concern will be how Samsung intend to price the device. Also, Samsung is at their 3rd year with foldables, while these other OEMs will be releasing one for the first time, which is also a major advantage on the part of Samsung and the Z Fold 3. It will be interesting to see how things play out in the end, and with all of these devices in the market, customers will finally be able to go for the device they prefer. I'll keep you updated with any new info on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and other upcoming foldable smartphone, so consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated. Don't forget to turn on post notification. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.